this issue of the lack of infrastructure.
On the fourth Monday of every month, you'll find Feral Fellows here
The residents here
at the Point South Revitalization Committee meeting in South Dallas. She's a property owner advocating not just for her building, but its residents.
We need jobs here. We need to increase income levels here.
Farrell owns these apartments at Meadow and South Boulevard. While she tends to everything inside, it's the outside causing problems.
We have a problem with stormwater drainage that leaves our intersections flooded.
The committee sharing this video of rainfall last year.
People have to walk into oncoming traffic just to get around those areas of flooding.
They sent you out a survey.
Committee Chair Hank Lawson says they learned of the issue when another developer went to the city.
Only to find out that there's no storm sewer.
A developer owning property here who does not want to be identified shows us this map of the drainage system which stops at MLK and Meadow.
The people in that neighborhood get a water bill every month, and in it, it has a fee for storm sewer. Yet there is no storm system.
We reached out to Deputy Mayor Pro Tem Adam Bazadua, representing South Dallas. His office says they are aware of efforts to address critical needs, but says this drainage issue hasn't been brought to their attention, to which Hank is taken aback.
There have been some very hard conversations about that, okay? Personally with Bazadua.
People are struggling.
And many like Hank say in order to bring more developers,
We need infrastructure funding.
a consistent cry,
I want to be a part of the change. I want to see the change.
still waiting for help. In South Dallas, I'm Brittany Moncrief.